Want to report police cars and traffic stops on Waze and help other drivers stay informed? In this video, I'll show you how to report police activity on Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app and start your navigation. When you see police activity along your route, tap the report button on the map, then select police. Waze may give you additional options such as mobile camera, hidden, or other sign, depending on your location and app version. Choose the option that matches what you see, then tap report. Waze may also submit the report automatically after a few seconds. If you're seeing a traffic stop causing congestions, you can also tap report. Select traffic and choose the appropriate traffic condition such as heavy or standstill. Only report incidents you actually see in real time and make reports only when it's safe to do so. And that's how to report police cars and traffic stops using Waze in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.